Whether you want longer hair, thicker hair, stronger hair, more shine, more moisture, less breakage, dry scalp relief, you need to have a plan. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. So why should you set hair care goals anyway? Well, there are many reasons, but in a nutshell, goal setting helps you to plan. And when you have a plan, you can actually take action, okay? And achieving your goal is in taking action, right? The process of setting hair care goals helps you to kind of map out exactly what it is you're trying to achieve. And by knowing exactly what you want, you know where to concentrate your efforts. So whatever you focus on, whatever your goals are, I'm going to give you 9 steps, nine steps really quick to help you get to your goals much faster. Okay, first things first, let's define exactly what it is that you are trying to do. Is your goal clearly defined? If not, it's time. Step 1, clearly define that goal, okay? Because whatever it is, it's only in your power to make it happen. So, is it something that you have a good chance of achieving? That's what you need to determine before you get started on step 2. Step 2, how strong is your desire to get this thing done? If your goal doesn't energize or inspire you, it's not a good goal to have, okay? You'll give up before you even start. Ask yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, is it or I'm willing to do anything to achieve this goal for my hair. You have to know in your mind, do you have the drive to take action to get to where you're trying to go? Number 3, now this might be the most important one, write it down. Have you written down the goal? If not, let me tell you something. Get a piece of paper and a pen. I don't even have a pen next to me, but get a piece of paper and get to writing, okay? Even if it's just one thing, write it down. And did you know that if you write things down, put them on paper, written by hand, you have an 80% higher chance for success? Writing your goal down is like a declaration. It makes it real, okay? So you definitely want to do that. And yes, write down your hair care goal. It's okay. A lot of times we think about hair care and it's just using products. No, it's a mindset first. You have to make up in your mind, okay, this is something that I really want to do. This is a goal I really want to achieve. I really want to have my mind focused. Let me write it down. That's step 3. Step 4, visualization. Can you see yourself having the hair that you want? Can you see yourself achieving this goal? How do you feel? How do you look? What are you doing? How is your life different? How does achieving this goal make your life easier? Well, that's something that you will only know for yourself. But visualizing it helps it come to life. So if your goal is to have thicker hair, what does having thicker hair feel like? What does it look like? When you visualize that, do you feel more confident? Do you feel prettier? Do you feel like your hair care is easier because your hair is thicker? Do you feel like you can have more hairstyles? These are the things that you need to visualize. Number 5, determine your starting point and set deadlines. Now, I know that you know where you are right now. Right now, where you are, this is your starting point, okay? From here, you're going to head in the right direction, right? So creating the plan from your starting point is like mapping out your route for a road trip. If you don't know where you are right now, you don't know where you're going. So just be realistic with yourself. If your goal is to regrow your edges, right now, you know that you are not putting in the time and effort to have healthy growing edges, right? You are not using products consistently to have healthy growing edges to see results. That is your current state. You have to determine, okay, this is where I am. I know that I need to change and do something different, okay? And that's gonna lead me into step 6. Identify your resources. In this journey, you will need help. You will need resources. There are hair care forums. There are hair care blogs. There are hair care groups on Facebook. There are hair care gurus on YouTube and Instagram. There are hair care books. There are hair care websites. Find something that suits you, okay? Find something that you can be a part of or have an accountability partner. You will need a resource, okay? You will need someone or a group of people to help you move forward and to give you the education and information that you need as you are trying to achieve your hair care goals. Number 7. Okay, now that you completed steps 1 through 6, or you got that in your mind, now we need to actually have the plan in place. We have to have the steps, okay? Because a dream without a plan is just a wish, right? A goal is a dream with a plan and a deadline. You have to set a deadline, okay? Otherwise, you just gonna keep this cycle, right? So you need to say, okay, by this date, I want to have this done. And the way we do that is we break our goals down into small, manageable steps. So back to the thicker hair goal. If that's your goal, to have thicker hair, you know that you can't just have thicker hair in a week. But in a week, what you can do is determine the best products that you can use in your budget and for your hair type. That would be step 1, right? What products do I need to use for my hair type, for my goal? Let's get that knocked out, okay? And then your next step would be, okay, I need to use this product as instructed for this amount of time so that I can start seeing results. So we'll break your goals down into small actionable steps, but you also have to have a deadline. Give yourself ample time to get it done, but also don't give yourself too much time to where you fall off and lose focus. That's step 7. Number 8. Are you committed or are you just trying? Because there is a difference. I want you to ask yourself, I want you to say these two separate sentences, okay? I'm going to try to regrow my hair. Now say, I'm committed to regrow my hair. Which one of those sentences feels more solid? Right? The one that says I am committed. Because when you say I'm committed, you're more likely to do what it takes to make it happen. To achieve any goal, you need to commit yourself. You need to commit your time, right? How committed are you? If not, you're just going to keep wasting time, wasting energy, and wasting money. And last but not least, this is step 9. This is the bonus step. Celebrate. How many times have we achieved a goal, even the smallest little goal? Think about if you have, or you ever been on a weight loss journey and you lost 1 pound and you was just like, 1 pound? That's it? Honey, you got to celebrate every single milestone, okay? So if you went a whole week and you got your first mini goal done, or your, first small part of your plan done, you got to celebrate that. And how do you celebrate? You give yourself a pat on the back. You call a friend. You say, hey girl, I know I have not been doing right by my hair, but for the last 7 days, I have been on it. I have been doing everything I'm supposed to do. Right? Get somebody that'll be in your corner that'll be like, girl, that's good. Somebody that will make you feel good about what you're doing so that you will continue to move forward. Okay? You will have no excuses to get started. None. I just gave you 9 simple things to do to get yourself in a state of having your hair care goals not only just in your mind, but out on paper and actually doing what you need to do to achieve them. So let me tell you, I have a free resource. I have a free ebook. It's called 5 Ingredients to Healthy Hair Growth. And it gives you 5 oils, 5 natural oils that you can use if you are just starting on your hair growth journey. So if healthy hair growth is one of your goals, this ebook will be a great place to start for you. It also has some recipes where you can make your own blends if you're into the DIY thing. Okay, and I will link that ebook in the description below so you can check that out, and hopefully it will be a help to you. Even if you only use 1 or 2 of the oils, it's fine. I even include some resources that you can actually purchase these oils from, or these ingredients from. And yeah, so like I said, grab that and check that out. I think that it's something that will definitely be beneficial to you on your journey. Okay. Also, if you are here for the first time, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you have not already, subscribe. Like all the YouTubers say, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Tell me something that you are doing on your hair care journey that you may need help with. Maybe we can come up with a plan together, some small action steps. I am here as a resource for you. Okay, so if you need help, don't be afraid to reach out and ask questions. All right. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Kendra from the 180 Collection, and I will see you in the next video.